What's up, everybody? Today in this video, we are gonna see what happens when you put a marshmallow in the microwave. Okay, so let's get a plate. I believe I found this one. It smells a little, but I don't remember the reaction I got from it. So, whoa! I almost dropped the plate. Alright, got my plate. Get this marshmallow. So, guys, how was your weekend? Now I'm off from school because it is snowing, and apparently North Carolina does not like snow. So, now open up the microwave, place it in for, I don't know, good for 20 seconds. Oh my god. Okay, so I just put it in and it immediately melted. How awesome was that? Anyway, so the reaction to that is right here. It's all melted. It's like, there's only 9 seconds and it's melted. Alright guys, leave in the comments what you want to see me do next, okay? Alright, well, say goodbye to the Marshmallow Club. Bye!